Hello and welcome to astrohusky.com. Let me show you what I have been working on.
Tonight, my target is the Bubble Nebula, NGC 7635, in Cassiopeia, about 11,000 light-years away. That bubble is roughly 7 light-years across, blown by the wind of one hot, massive star. I shot it in narrowband, in hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. The gear is nothing exotic. An 8-inch Skywatcher Newtonian on an EQ5 Pro mount. A Tech 533 mono camera with a filter wheel and a small guide scope. A small Windows mini computer running N.I.N.A is the capture itself. 68 frames in total, each one 5 minutes long. 19 in hydrogen, 21 in oxygen, 28 in sulfur. Game 100, the sensor cooled to -10 degrees. A little under 6 hours of light. Comes the processing, calibrating, registering, and stacking each channel, then combining them into the Hubble palette. It is fiddly, and I redid the color balance more than once before it looked right. And here is the result. The same faint signal from the start of the night, stretched and combined. Sulfur, hydrogen, and oxygen mapped to red, green, and blue. If you would like the full write-up and the tools I use, they are on astrohusky.com. The Astro tools are free on my GitHub. Thank you for watching. Clear skies.